William M. Bird & Company has been delivering the goods since 1865. For 150 years, Bird has been providing its customers with innovative products and expert solutions. Our company's successes and staying power in an ever-changing marketplace can be attributed to the sustained stewardship and entrepreneurial spirit set forth by our founder, William M. Bird. Well, when I think of Mr. Bird, and if I was to try to sum up his character in one phrase, I would say he was able to rise to the challenge. He started the business in 1865 to help rebuild the South after the Civil War. And he would use a schooner to take naval supplies and lumber north from Savannah and Charleston. And on his return, he'd bring back paint and glass, Belgian cement, and even whale oil. Another great example in my mind of his ability to rise to the challenge was the earthquake of 1886. The estimates are there were up to 60,000 citizens who lost their homes. Yet he was open for business the very next day. And in my mind, it showed his resolve for his city to come back stronger than ever. During the first half of the 20th century, the company continued to grow and expand, especially the product lines that it was involved with. We got involved with turpentine and lumber. We got involved with sand and gravel distribution. We started becoming a manufacturer of concrete pipe and block. We were a retailer and contractor of paint, glass, hardware, and ultimately floor covering.
In 1936, Bird began distributing Armstrong floor covering and building materials. We soon became an innovator in the flooring industry, embracing Armstrong's new developments of cork inlaid floors and selling them across the Southeast. 50 years later, we adopted groundbreaking products such as Triangle Pacific's Bruce engineered hardwoods, Pergo laminate flooring, and Metro Floors luxury vinyl tile. Today, our in-house brand, Palmetto Road Flooring, represents one of Bird's newest and fastest growing lines. From Charleston to Nashville, Mobile to Raleigh, William Bird has grown to serve the Southeast to meet our customers' needs.
Our parent company, Southern Diversified Distributors, was formed in 2003 to provide a corporate structure for Bird and its sister companies, Trans-South Logistics and Southern Tile Distributors. Technological advances are among our key priorities. We are proud to be an innovator and a leader in online sales. Bird's corporate philosophy really hinges on two fundamentals: strong relationships and superior reliability. We build our relationships on mutual respect, trust, and a desire to provide profitable solutions.
What hasn't changed is the variety. You've always had the latest trends and the variety that customers are demanding, and then to have the representation like we have from you, and to have the amazing transportation. Bird has the absolute best transit of any flooring company out there. They really do. If it's supposed to be on the truck, it's on the truck, and it's early in the morning, and we can count on that, we can bank on that, and that is so important to our company.
As we enter our 150th year of business, Bird is committed to serving its suppliers, customers, employees, and communities.